Hey, how y'all doing today? I hope you're doing well. In front of you is Icon Master Mechanic Workstation, and what I'm going to show you is how I took two of the budget Yukon toolboxes, flipped one of them over to create a budget or a junior mechanic workstation. So in a minute you'll see this box, which I recently picked up on sale for $2.59, and the bottom box for $2.99. You'll see that I flip it over and reorientate the drawer to make a nice little hutch for the Yukon bottom box. Now keep in mind these are narrow boxes, so you want to be sure to attach them to the wall or secure them in a way so that they don't tip over, because they are narrow and this is not how they're meant to be used. But this is, I guess, for your entertainment. Try it at your own risk. So I removed the wooden tops off of both boxes, and underneath them are the holes, and those line up, and I was able to use bolts to attach one to the other to make them securely attached to each other. And on the inside of the drawers, basically everything, or inside the cupboard, basically everything is able to be flipped without much modification. The only true modification that you'll have to do is attaching the floor to the left side bin. There's no tab on the right hand side, so you'll have to either take the metal shelf and use some pop rivets to rivet it into the right hand side to make a floor. Or what you can do is you can take the wooden tops and cut them to size and then mount those however you see fit. But as you can see, it didn't take much work. You basically drill out. You can use the 30-degree method to kind of point your drill bit off to one side a little bit to take those rivets out, because they did spin on me. But you basically drill out 8 pop rivets, move them down exactly 1 inch, all 8 of them, and then reattach the door slides. And that's enough to flip that big drawer over so that now you've got 2 full-length drawers in this junior mechanic tool hutch, with plenty of space on top for your computer, scanners, extra parts. And in my case, this box just fit in my area really well, so that's why I went with it. And so hopefully you guys got something out of this, and maybe if not an idea, just some entertainment. Hope all are well, and take care.